I don't know what's wrong with this light, y'all. Okay. I mean that like it's about to blur out. You know. Yeah, this is a Super Bowl party, y'all. Everybody's here, you know. Yeah, I'm just here for the heck of it. Santana sleeping, y'all. Yep. But we don't want to wake him up. Here's Eva on TV say, hey. Oh, she don't want to say nothing. All right. All right. Yep. Focus camera. Focus camera. That's better. All right. Yeah, that like just went. All right, y'all. I'm here by the family though, and stuff like that. There's a Super Bowl party going on, which what you saying? All righty. Yeah. So. Oh, they having a pool. Who cares about the pool? I don't care about the pool. Oh well. If I win the pool, so be it. You know.
No more for you.
Oh, they wasted the paper towels. Okay. But to get some paper towels over here, y'all. Well, wherever the hell. Here, y'all. All right. I'll get that. The calendar fall, ladies and gentlemen. I'm fixing it. Y'all can't see me fix it. You know. And Ron, you're on TV. What you got to say?
Yo.
All right. Yeah, you're not on television right now.
All right.
Desiree don't want to be on television. Okay. Oh, let's see if Janai wants to be. Well, never mind Janai right now. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. The big New Yorker. Yep. All right.
You want a piece?
And you see this king cake right here, y'all? I bought that for the party, y'all.
Look at the napkin right there.
Wish I'd have bought that for Braylon or Blossoms school, you know. Should have did that, you know. All right. Yeah, so, I mean, we all having fun over here. Yep, lots of fun, you know. Uh-huh. So, and that light.
The light dimming.
Yeah, that light is dimming and blurring out. You see that? Christmas is over. Huh? Yes, indeed, y'all. Huh. All right. All right, so if I would have had a bigger house, I would have threw the party at my house, you know. Yep. As some of you already know, Brock don't like noise, you know. So how do you like that, you know? All right, so I'll see y'all later, okay? About to go to YouTube Live, all right? Bye.